Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to send money from Revolut to PayPal. In order to do this, you first have to launch your Revolut mobile application and then you need to tap on this transfer tab in the bottom. Once done, you will be landed on the transfer page where you will have to click on new button in the top right hand corner of the screen. Afterwards, you will be shown this type of page where you are going to see a bunch of different options. Now, among the given options, you will have to select the first option which says bank recipient. After that, you will have to provide your account details. So in this section, first you will have to select the country of the recipient's bank. Then you need to select your currency. After that, you will have to provide your PayPal bank account number, then PIC and SWIFT code, account number, and further details. After filling these details, you will have to press continue in the bottom. Once done, you will be asked how much money you want to transfer. So in this section, you just have to enter the amount and then you need to press continue. Then it will ask you whether you want to schedule it or you want to continue without scheduling it. So if you want to schedule your transfer on a particular date, then you will have to select that particular date. And if you want to repeat it monthly, quarterly, or daily, then you will have to select the repetition frequency as well. After that, you need to press continue in the bottom. Once done, you need to follow further on-screen instructions such as you need to review your transfer, the PayPal bank account that you have selected, and once everything done, you just have to press continue. Afterwards, you will be shown this prompt which says that you have successfully scheduled this much amount of money on this date and to this person. So on this date, the amount will be deducted from your Revolut account and it will be sent to your PayPal account. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.